Welcome to Info Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. While it may not be as flashy as Saturn or as talked about as Mars, Mercury is a planet of extremes and surprises. Why is it called the messenger of the solar system, and what makes it so unique? Stay tuned to uncover the mysteries of Mercury and learn facts that will blow your mind. 1. Mercury's name and mythology. Let's start with the name. Mercury was named after the Roman god of commerce, communication, and travel, the messenger of the gods. But why Mercury? It's all about speed. Mercury is the fastest planet in the solar system, zipping around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Its rapid orbit must have reminded ancient astronomers of the fleet-footed god dashing through the heavens. 2. Mercury's orbit and rotation. Speaking of speed, did you know Mercury has one of the strangest rotations? It takes about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. But here's the kicker: because of its slow spin and rapid orbit, one day-night cycle on Mercury, from sunrise to sunrise, lasts a whopping 176 Earth days. Imagine having a day last nearly 6 months. Mercury's orbit is also highly elliptical, meaning its distance from the Sun varies dramatically. At its closest, it's just 46 million kilometers away, and at its farthest, it's 17 million kilometers. This elliptical orbit is another reason Mercury experiences such extreme conditions. 3. The surface of Mercury. Now, let's explore the surface of this fascinating planet. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, much like our Moon. These craters are scars from billions of years of impacts with asteroids and comets. One of the most notable features is the Caloris Basin, a gigantic impact crater over 1,500 kilometers in diameter, big enough to cover half of Europe. But Mercury isn't just about craters. It also has cliffs or scarps that stretch for hundreds of kilometers and rise up to 3 kilometers high. These cliffs are the result of the planet shrinking as its core cools over time, a phenomenon unique to Mercury. 4. Mercury's temperatures and atmosphere. Mercury is often called a planet of extremes. It's the closest planet to the Sun, so you'd think it's the hottest, right? Not exactly. Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat, so while daytime temperatures soar to 430 degrees Celsius, nighttime temperatures plunge to a bone-chilling minus 180 degrees Celsius. That's a temperature swing of over 600 degrees. And speaking of atmosphere, Mercury doesn't have a significant one. Instead, it has a thin exosphere made up of atoms blasted off its surface by solar winds. This exosphere is constantly being replenished, but is far too thin to support weather or life as we know it. 5. Mercury's magnetic field and core. One of Mercury's most surprising features is its magnetic field. Despite being a small planet, Mercury has a magnetic field, though it's only about 1% as strong as Earth's. Scientists believe this is due to its partially molten iron core, which makes up a whopping 85% of the planet's radius, the highest core-to-planet ratio in the solar system. This magnetic field also creates a unique phenomenon, Mercury's magnetosphere. It interacts with the solar wind to produce bursts of energetic particles, a mini version of what happens here on Earth. 6. Exploration of Mercury. Mercury has been a tough planet to study, but we've made progress thanks to space missions. NASA's Mariner 10 was the first to visit Mercury in the 1970s, capturing the first close-up images. More recently, the Messenger spacecraft orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, revealing details about its surface, core, and magnetic field. And the journey isn't over. The European Space Agency's Bepi-Colombo mission is currently en route to Mercury, with plans to arrive in 2025. It aims to unlock even more secrets about this mysterious world. 7. Why Mercury matters. So, why should we care about Mercury? Studying Mercury helps us understand the early solar system and how planets evolve over time. It's a planet of extremes, a survivor of intense solar radiation, and a key to unlocking the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Mercury may not have rings or moons, but it has stories etched into its craters, cliffs, and core. It's a small planet with a big role in the tapestry of our solar system. Conclusion, and there you have it, the incredible story of Mercury, the messenger of the solar system. What surprised you the most about this fascinating planet? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with others who love space and science. Make sure to follow InfoHub for more exciting content like this. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, let's keep exploring the wonders of the universe together.